Hello and welcome. We are time anti-time. We are our multidimensional self. Satnam.
Activating the Unified Chakra. In this unit, we'll activate your Unified Chakra, integrating all your chakra energy centers into one harmonious field.
This practice is designed to bring about a profound sense of wholeness and balance within your being by harmonizing the 7 primary chakras: root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown.
Each chakra represents a different aspect of your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. And when they are out of alignment, it can lead to various challenges and blockages in your life.
By activating your Unified Chakra, we aim to integrate energy centers. We will work to align and balance each of your chakras, ensuring that their energies flow freely and harmoniously. This integration creates a unified field of energy that supports your overall health and well-being.
Enhance energy flow. A unified chakra system allows for a smooth and unobstructed flow of life force energy, prana, throughout your body. This enhanced energy flow can improve your physical vitality, emotional stability, mental clarity, and spiritual connection.
Promote whole being healing. When your chakras are in harmony, your body's natural healing processes are supported, and you may experience a reduction in physical symptoms, emotional turmoil, and mental stress.
Foster spiritual awakening. The activation of your unified chakra can deepen your spiritual connection and awareness, opening you up to higher states of consciousness and facilitating a greater sense of purpose and meaning in your life.
During this practice, we may use a combination of techniques including
chakra meditation, guided meditations focused on each chakra to help you become more aware of their energies and to facilitate their alignment.
Energy healing, techniques such as Reiki, crystal healing, or sound therapy to balance and harmonize your chakras.
Breathing exercises. Specific breathing patterns to help activate and balance your chakras.
Affirmations and visualizations. Positive affirmations and visualizations to reinforce the integration and harmony of your chakras.
Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Visualize all your chakras aligning and merging into a single, radiant sphere of light at your heart center.
Affirm, I state the intent to activate my unified chakra. All my energies are integrated and balanced. Feel this unified field, bringing coherence and strength to your being. Rest in this energy, then return to your day, feeling whole and aligned.
Feel this unified field bringing coherence and strength to your being. Rest in this energy, then return to your day, feeling whole and aligned.
Request the unification of your chakras into one single column of light. When living as your multidimensional self, the 7 separate main chakras blend into one chakra column, same as the personality, soul, and monad blend into one being.
I request my unified chakras and the complete unification of my multidimensional self so that my whole self may work in unison.
In conclusion, by the end of this practice, you should feel a greater sense of unity and balance within yourself, with your various energy centers working in harmony to support your overall well-being and spiritual growth. Embrace this journey of integration and allow your unified chakra to guide you towards a more vibrant and fulfilling life.
We are happy that you have a shiny new unified chakra. We wish you love, light, and victory. We are time anti-time. Satnam.